Morning, everybody. It's 8:44 on this sunny but chilly Wednesday morning, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2108. Okay, well, there's no economic news except the mortgage number, which was up 7%. Last week's, I believe, was up 9.7%, but this is not market moving regardless. Interest rates are a little bit higher again. The 10-year, which closed at 416, is 418, and the 210 spread is right around unchanged, not enough to make a difference. As far as the futures, the Dow is up about 30. NASDAQ is down about, let's see, down about 20. And the S&P is up about $2. So we have Asia mixed, Europe a little bit higher after our big move yesterday. Unfortunately, Boeing did not take part in that rally. It was the my biggest loser in the both defense and um, manufacturing numbers. 182.50 with a last of 182.69. That's down another dollar and a half. I have a hard time with this one because it's hard to discount our biggest manufacturing company. But such is life. It looks like 178 or 179 will be the next stop. I don't know it'll be today or not. Dollar Tree with a miss, top and bottom line, 139.89. That's down $10.80 or 7.2%. Tesla getting pounded again, not overwhelmingly. It's down 2% at 174.02. That's down $3.52. And Nvidia just keeps on going. It was as high as 938.5 this morning. The low, I believe, was around 900, but I will check that for you. The high was 938.5. The low was 911. Last is 919. Chart on the screen is the silver, which I said there was support right where we were. And in fact, we didn't even test the downside after this morning, up about 14 cents. So we're right there. We're right on the 5-day moving average, which is seemingly rolling over. It's a long way to go to across to the downside, and I expect we'll be out of it regardless. Also, the oil up fairly strongly, considering it was only down a fraction yesterday, was down 37 cents to 77.56. This morning, higher high, higher low. Last is 79.04. That's up $1.48 or just under 2%. Current look at the futures. We have the NASDAQ selling off a little further, down about 50. Dow is up about 41. And I'll just wait for the next flash on the S&P. S&P is 418.1 in the 10-year again. And the S&P is now down about $1. So really not much going on. Economically, there's nothing showing up until tomorrow, where we have the PPI and claims being a Thursday. Okay, so Petco Health and Wellness, symbol WOOF, reported inline beat on revenue guides, but guides below consensus. I can't believe this is a single digit stock, $2.65, up 9 cents. And they are going to have a new CEO as of later today. Coinbase up about 60 cents, nothing overwhelming there, but they are offering $1 billion in convertible senior notes due 2030. Southwest Airlines barely up a dime at 28.86. That's 0.4%, was upgraded to hold from underperform at Jefferies. Intel down 70 cents, down on the Pentagon. Abandoned its plan to spend $2.5 billion on an Intel grant. Toll Brothers, 10% increase in quarterly cash dividend, up 2 cents at 122. And Change GE Health, a secondary of 14 million shares. That takes that one down 5%, 87.25. That's down 57 cents or 5%. Okay, just one more look. Dow up 52 and a half, Nasdaq down 54, and the S&P still right around that zero line. All right, folks, I'll be back later. We also have some earnings after the close again tonight, but I'll deal with that in the closing comment.